After importing your clips to the media library in the CapCut desktop app, you need to add them to your timeline to create a video. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Now, to add a clip from your media library into your timeline, just hover your mouse cursor on that clip and press the plus button. You can as well click and hold on the clip and drag down to the timeline to move it over to the timeline. Those are the two ways to add a clip to your timeline. Now, after adding a clip to your timeline, you might want to trim out the sections you don't want in your video. And let's say I want to trim this clip of this woman holding a parrot. I want to start the clip from where she's about to feed the parrot. So I'll move my playhead to the part where she's about to feed the parrot, tap on the footage and press the split button right here. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl B on your keyboard. So let's say Ctrl B. Now it is split right where she's about to feed her parrot. Now we want to delete the part on the left. That part, we don't want it in our video. So I'll just select that part and press this delete button or tap on delete on your keyboard. Now, if you play this video, you'll see that the video starts from where she gave the parrot something to eat. And let's say I want to end this scene right here. I'll tap on the footage again and press Ctrl B on my keyboard. Then tap on the one on the right and press the delete button again. Now she just feeds a parrot and that ends the scene. Now I'll just go ahead and press Ctrl Z to return to the initial footage, because I want to show you another way to do this. Now, another way to do this would be to move the playhead over to the part which is about to feed the parrot. Make sure the footage in the timeline is selected and press this delete left icon right here. Now, you can as well use the shortcut Q to do this. Q is the default shortcut for CapCut. So if you have configured your shortcuts, just hover your mouse cursor here to tell you the key that you've assigned to do this. Now, so I'll just tap on Q to delete to the left. So it starts with her feeding her parrot. Now let's end it right here. So I'll tap on the footage again and use this icon to delete to the right. So now we're left with the footage of her feeding her parrot, and that's the end of the scene. The third way to trim clips in your timeline is to move the playhead again to the part where you want to trim. Click and make sure the clip in the timeline remains selected. Then move your cursor over to the beginning of the clip. When you get this icon here, click and hold and drag to the playhead. When the playhead turns blue, means you are at the point. Now release. So the footage starts from this. Now let's end it right here. Make sure the clip remains selected. Then move your cursor over to the end of the clip. When you get this icon again, click and hold and drag to the playhead. When it turns blue, release it. Let me know if you have any other questions. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.